Hey MTV world. Hey MTV world. I decided to pick up the camera today. It's been a minute, y'all. It's been a minute. Make sure y'all are still liking and commenting on the last video. This video is gonna be about me getting the car. TT's getting a car, a new car for her TT baby, his car seat, and for my future kids. I'm getting me a mom truck, but I ain't got no kids. So I got my nephew, TT baby, they see. So I might already have my mom truck before I get ready to have kids, whatever. I want 5 kids, but the guy I'm talking to, he wants 7. So we're gonna see how that goes. So let me tell y'all what the guy has said. I've been texting my salesman all day. We've been talking since 9 o'clock and it's 2:39. He said, I told him what time I was gonna make it, and he was like, we're gonna be here all day. We ain't going nowhere, though. He said, we ain't going nowhere. Then he was like, I can go ahead and see the application process, so you won't be here for a long time. I said, okay. Cause Big Mama, she on the schedule. I'm on the schedule, baby. I got a full schedule. I'm a busy woman. So I love that I'm not gonna be there all day. And I also got a notification that saying he ran my credit. I was like, baby, he did that fast. It said he got a change in your credit. I was like, you did that too fast for me. Hope it don't take it down a lot. But I wasn't expecting it. But he trying to get him a sale. I guess I'm gonna get to him. I hope that note don't be too high. Hope I still can handle it. Then I gotta pay for my insurance too. Yeah, but I got this. With the help of God, I got it. I can do it. But I'm gonna take y'all with me during the process. I don't know if they're gonna allow. No, they're not gonna allow me to record while I sign papers and stuff. But I'm gonna try to still sneak and do it. So I'm getting a car from South Haven, Mississippi, and that's 2 hours away from me. So I'm so excited. I'm ready to get there. I'll take y'all along with me. Everybody welcome me with welcome arms. Like, oh my gosh, so excited. Somebody's car going off. I turn my camera on this off. Is another car going on? Everybody was so excited to see me. I was for their big money. Come on. You made that car go on? You made the car go on? Oh, it was going on. You got too close to it. Everybody welcome me with open arms. They said we've been waiting on you. I had to shake by C's hands. He gonna give me something to drink, y'all. His name is George Webb. Y'all check the bag out. Check the bag out. Yeah. Yeah. My truck is right here, y'all. I ain't gonna let y'all see the other one, but yeah.
this is. You mentioned the payment between $500 and $700, right? Okay.
I like the payment with the roof.
Okay.
I wanted red seats, but I'm gonna have to buy some seat covers. That's my favorite color, red.
Red, you like red interior? Okay. So yeah, I mean, you could definitely buy something from Amazon. Some clients have bought it. I mean, you live a little ways, but some people buy from Amazon and they bring it back and we put them on.
Okay.
So we've done that, and it's always the Honda Pilot. It's something about the red seats.
Yeah.
You know, I know certain models have the perforated redness in the seats, but the whole seat isn't red. So a lot of people like just all rows to just have the red seats on.
I might just get the first two.
Okay, so you just think of just the drivers, the front and the cabin.
Yeah.
I got you. Because you probably gonna have that third row laying flat.
Right.
Until you start actually using it. Because there's a lot of space back there. So have you considered gas and everything?
What gas do it take? 93?
It take 87.
87?
Yeah, it's regular 87. So it is a V6, 285 horsepower. Honda done away with all their V6s. So we only have 3 vehicles now that have V6, and the Pilot is one of them. So your gas mileage is much better than a Yukon for a third row. So you're still sitting around about 26 miles a gallon on gas.
And this the Trail Sports.
Yeah, this the Trail Sports.
4-wheel drive.
Say it again.
4-wheel drive on it.
It's all-wheel drive. Yep. So the good thing is that you don't have to turn it on. It's always working in all-wheel drive. Okay. So yeah, you don't have to switch it on or off. So I think you're gonna really, really like it when we drive it. I don't know if you listen to music when you drive.
I do.
Okay. So
how are you?
Okay. So it has a great sound system in it too, as well. I will say, obviously, you'll probably be out of your range on $500 to $700 a month, just because the vehicle is ranging between $48,000 and $52,000. So you'll probably be in the high 8s or early 9s, just simple math. Because I mean, the interest rate on these vehicles somewhere around 6-7%. So it's easy with zero down. It's easy to have a payment of at least $800, $900 a month on one of these vehicles. How you feel about it?
Then insurance added to it. To make it do.
Listen, I want you to be okay with that, because I don't have to pay it.
Okay. So 800 high 8s or low 8s?
It's gonna be high 8s.
It's gonna be high 8s. Not going to 900 even.
It could. I don't know yet. You know, I didn't want to run your credit and submit any of that to you actually here. Because we're not going to send it all over the place. We're going to send it to the person that's going to give us the best numbers, the best shot, and we'll do that. And, you know, obviously you came a long way, so you want a car.
Right.
But I don't want you to feel like you got to get you. You know, because again, I don't have to pay for you to pay. Now your first payment would be due to about 30 to 45 days. Okay. So you have some time. But I just, I didn't want to send any on.
Oh well. Been here. There she is.
What's on FaceTime?
Yeah, for FaceTime. What's that Instagram?
You ready? Let's go look at it.
Okay.
Turn on the sizzle or whatever it is.
Hi, Tara.
So what now?
Finna get a car.
You got your car?
We outside. We outside.
You finna be outside? What kind of car you get, girlie? Period.
It's raining. It's raining. I'm gonna call you back. Yeah, get in the bed. Are you sure I don't need to put 93? That's the best gas.
You can do 93 if you want to. Most people just use 87 for the bottom. It's not a. It doesn't have a turbo engine or anything like that.
Right. Two weeks that could be 93.
Hold up. This far is gone. Let me go. Let me put this seat down there. I did not want to be here all day, and we here all day, like to closing. They close at 8. They washing my car and putting gas in it. They got me a Gatorade. I'm gonna ask if they got some chips. I'm gonna get everything. Y'all got some snacks. Y'all got some snacks. Yeah. Pretty hungry. Anything you have is great.
Yeah, we got some chips.
Okay.
I can give you some chips.
I love everything.
You love everything?
This is my feeling right here, baby.
Somebody need to bring her.
When that man takes me. He said he proud of you. He love his big mom. Yeah, I got my city already. Just waiting. They're gonna give me a Honda head and everything. Thank you so much. Look at them.
Them damn apples.
Mom, I'm vlogging. Yeah, I'm gonna do a TikTok video for my car. I'm gonna show you They playing that stuff at my dealership, and I win. They backing my girl in. Yeah. Ski. Are y'all ready for the car tour? So yeah, get a little snippet of it. Get the little tires first. Well, beat size. Yo, big body. Big size. They 4-wheel drive and they got grip on it too. I got it from South Haven, y'all. I'll show y'all the bed. Oh, the door lock. Look at the keys. We got like a car lot in our yard, y'all. Let me get the keys. Where my keys at? Yeah, here go my keys. I had to put a little red in there. Dash of red. I started be getting red seat covers. I got 2 keys. The other one in my purse. But here we go. It's my mom truck, y'all. Trail Sports. It got a front camera and a back camera. This works too. Got a little blue in the tire. I think my wheels black or gray. Trail Sports. It's on the seat too. I got a moon roof. It's the radio. My car fit 8 people. I got this row down. More trunk space. Got an own airbag here. Charger. You can plug your charger in. Stub. Got this window shade to block the sun. Window shade to block the sun. And this is my tag for 7 days. Then they gave me about 3 of them. So I keep on using them. So I really don't have to be like, I don't gotta quick in a hurry to be in a hurry to get my tag, my personalized tag. And I'm getting MTV on my tag, y'all. MTV world, MTV. It's not unicorn air freshener. Somebody had, my cousin had got it for me. Let me start it up for y'all. Push start. Look, I ain't know that thing come on right there. How that good was on TikTok. I ain't know the thing work right here. I ain't know how these lights come on. But this is my car. Oh yeah, this is my first time blowing my horn, y'all. Yeah. I'm in love. Here go my gear shifts. I ain't gotta do all that no more. Just click it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. My air freshener. Paperwork. This was the sale price on the car. Paperwork. And this is I think this is some more paperwork that was already in the car, like the jack or something thing. Let's see. Let me open it up. Here go me, y'all. It's a new day. The next day, cause it was so dark when I came back home last night. It was 12 o'clock a.m. I came back home. Let's see what this is. It's like a manual book, like if I don't know how to do stuff, it'll show me. Yeah, do this thing. It's like a lot of books. Something about the radio stations. Yeah, it's telling me with how to do everything. I'm gonna look at it one day, not today. I'm kind of learning, like I'm like an on hands learner. So I probably would never look in it. But yo, this really like a mountain truck. Like I can go on a mud. I can do a trail ride and everything. Like I can do that. You can attach a trailer to the back. I don't know what this is, y'all. If y'all know what this is, comment down below. I'm gonna ask my daddy though. He should know. Comment down below. Say something about a lock ID. A wheel lock. Lock and keys. Wheel lock. Don't know. But yeah, I'm the first owner. My car had, on the website it had 7 miles, but I guess somebody test drove it. When I got to the dealership, it had 17. But they're probably from them like moving the car back and forth in the parking lot. So I'm gonna say that. So yeah, it had 17 miles on it when I got it. So they're really no miles. I'm the first owner. So by the time I have my kids, my car should be paid off. I got 6 years on this car, but I might pay it off before the 6 years up. So y'all, that's the car tour. I'm so hot. This sun really hot. I'm gonna turn it off. Not turn it off, but close it. You leave it up like that. But thank you guys for watching. If you got this far, well, if you hear me saying it, yeah, you got this far. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my car tour.